Welcome to the Zynga Scholarship Program application process. This video will guide you step by step on how to correctly fill the application form. Please follow each step carefully and ensure that all information entered is accurate. Click on the application form link to begin your application. To begin, please register or log in using your valid mobile number and email ID. Make sure the contact details you provide are active, as all communication regarding the scholarship will be shared on these details. Now, enter the student's personal details carefully. Ensure that the student's name matches exactly with the name mentioned on official documents such as the Aadhaar card, school records, or other valid ID proofs. Now, select your current class and year. WhatsApp number, date of birth, select the appropriate gender, and provide the Aadhaar number accurately. If the student is a person with a disability, select Yes and mention the relevant details. Additionally, provide at least one alternate contact by selecting the contact labels such as parent, guardian, or emergency and enter the corresponding contact details. In this section, answer the question: are you the child or relative of an employee of Zynga or Scholarlify? Select yes or no accordingly. Next, fill in the family details. Provide information such as parental status, father's or guardian's name, occupation, mobile number, and annual family income. Ensure that the income details entered are accurate and match the supporting documents you will upload. Now, provide the bank account details carefully. The bank account must be active and should belong to the student or parent guardian as per the scholarship guidelines. Incorrect or incomplete bank details may result in delays or failure in scholarship disbursement. In this section, enter the complete current residential address. Provide accurate details including state, district, city or village, and PIN code. Here, upload all the required documents for verification. These may include previous class mark sheet, applicant's Aadhaar card, income certificate, salary slip, IT return, school or college ID card, if applicable, fee receipt or admission proof, bank passbook copy, student or parent guardian, disability certificate, if applicable, any additional supporting documents, if required, passport size photograph of the applicant. Please ensure that all documents are clear and readable. Multiple receipts are merged into a single PDF where required. Uploaded documents are valid and not edited or tampered with. Now, fill in the student's current academic details. Select the current class or course of study carefully. Enter details of the current and previous academic records, including marks obtained, annual fees, institute name, state, district, city or village, and complete institute address. Review the academic information carefully before proceeding to the next step. Before submitting the application, review all the entered details thoroughly. Tick the declaration checkbox to confirm that all the information provided is true and correct to the best of your knowledge. Click on Submit to complete your application. Thank you for applying to the Zynga Scholarship Program. For any queries or support, please email us at scholarships@scholarlify.com or call at +91 114 1170 531. We wish you all the very best for your academic journey.